Let's see how Nailboo's pink lemonade dip powder looks on short, natural nails. Welcome and welcome back to Aloft Aloft. Now my nails are already prepped, filed, shaped, and cleaned. This time I decided to go with a shorter length on my nails as compared to my last video where they were a little bit longer. So this video is all about short, natural nails. As always, we're going to start by pushing back the cuticles on each nail. Then we're going to start with the base powder. Now one thing I do is instead of shaking it, I roll it to loosen up the powder since it's been sitting for a while, and I use it for every set. Now this video is not a full-on tutorial, but if you'd like to see a full tutorial of how I do the process, I will link that above so that you can see that when I use the date night color. But here I just use the number 1, which is the base, and dip each finger into the bill powder to get the base coat on. Then once I'm done applying the bill powder to each finger on that hand, naturally I'm going to dust off the excess powder. Here I'm going to grab the hot pink color, which is called Pink Lemonade. Now if you haven't seen the Nailboo products before, each new container comes closed in foil wrapping. So here I'm just using their cuticle pusher, the sharper end of it. Don't do what I did, of course, tilt it to the side and waste it everywhere. But I'm using the sharper end of it to peel the foil so that I can remove it to start using the set. Here's a look of my nails after applying the number 2, which is an activator to harden the nails. I just want to give you a close-up view of how they look before I file and shape them. And once again, number 3, the top coat, was super hard to open, as you can see by the damage of the bottle, but it opened. So here I'm applying the number 3 top coat to finish off the look. And here's the final look of the Pink Lemonade dip powder on short, natural nails. For those of you that have shorter nails or prefer to wear shorter nails, I hope this video was helpful, as I know in my last tutorial my nails were a bit longer. As always, thanks for watching.